Our day starts off with an early pickup from the hotel at 1 o'clock in the morning. First we get driven by car for about 45 minutes before being transferred across into this Jeep. Once in the Jeep, we're into some pretty aggressive climbing from the off, and at one point end up in this rather bizarre off-road section, which we later come to realise is actually the base of a rather large volcanic crater.
It's 4:20 a.m. on Sunday morning. We are sat in Cafe Jatayu up on Mount Bromo. We had a long journey here this morning for about 3 hours. We've come up to watch the sunrise at King Kong Point, which is how high, Mark?
7,600 feet, around about 2,500 metres. It's grim. Grim, man. It's grim.
Yeah, it's really overcast and the forecast is rain, so we'll see how we go and whether there'll be a sunrise or not.
We won't be seeing a sunrise, I don't think. Here we are on Mount Bromo for the sunrise, but we are sat in a big cloud, so we are not going to see much of a sunrise. It's around about 4:30. I think we've got about an hour to go. Crowds are beginning to congregate. They are going to be equally disappointed, I'm sure. The drive up was fun though. It would seem the weather gods are smiling on us this morning as the cloud is clearing and it looks like we are going to get a sunrise. Despite my earlier pessimism, we have been blessed with a gorgeous sunrise, so quite pleased about that.
Very happy, Karen.
Because it's low season, the crowds aren't too bad. I think on a good summer's day, this would actually be rammed all the way down this path to our right here. Of course, with the low season, the risk is you don't get a sunrise at all, which is where we thought we were going to be 3 or 4 hours ago. And there's a smouldering crater. I think we're going there next. Probably a bit of a walk first and then a climb up to the rim. I understand that sulfur cloud is always hanging over the crater. What a great way to start the day. With the sunrise out the way, it was back to the Jeep for the mad scramble back down to the crater. With the Jeep parked up, it was about a kilometre walk across the sands to the base of the active crater, and then the climb at the 250 or so steps to take us to the rim.
I'm at the top of a freaking volcano. This is bloody incredible. Knackered. It's been a long walk, but it's well worth it. I don't know if you can see down there.
We finish off the day with the now customary selfies with the locals.
Ready. Again? Ready?
Yeah.